today we'll start this screw jack assignment number 2, that is this one. Uh, this one means suppose here nut. Okay, so that is nut we can create. So giving from dimension here, okay, that is total diameter is 50, that is square 40 into 6 RH. Right hand thread is there, so square 40 means diameter 40 and 6 is the pitch. Okay, and total distance is how much? That is here total distance is 45 from this to that. This one is 45. This is one object and this is the another object. So total distance is 45. Okay, so after that we can create this type of drawing. So now let's start in CATIA. So here YZ plane, select YZ plane and then sketch here. So first create here, that is diameter 20, diameter 40 is means 20 is the radius. Okay, so 20 gap required from the center line. Okay, so that is 20 required, and then we can create here, that is 45. So here that is 45 dimension we can create, so that is 45. Okay, then we can create here another, that is 5. Okay, so that is 5 here, this one also, this one also 5. Clear? After that we can create here, that is 27 is the distance. Okay, so now from this to that, so that is 27. Okay, so that is 27. Now we can create from this uh, this vertical distance is now, that is 9, that is 9. Then we can create here that is 4.5. Okay, so that is create here one line which is this one, and from this midpoint of this line, from this midpoint of this line create one line here. Okay, that is here we can create 14.5. Next we can create here one circle. Okay, create here one circle which is 4.5. Okay, so that is 4.5. Now we can join, we can join from here to here, and now we can join from here to here. Okay, now delete this one and also delete this one. Now delete this one also. Okay, so this is should be closed, this line also not required. Okay, and after that we can create here one axis which is vertical. Okay, which is vertical. This length should be 20. Okay, I'll check it again. Okay, so now this one is 20. Okay, so after that we can check here sketch analysis. So this one should be closed. Okay, then exit, then shaft it. Okay, shaft. So now this one is shaft created here. Okay, so after that we can create inner thread. Okay, that is square 40 into 6. Okay, that is square 40 into 6. So now we can create here, suppose select this plane and sketch, then after that 20 dimension is required. Okay, so now this one is 20. Okay, 20, and you get a point here, so suppose that is the point. Okay, required, and now one line is required, that is 45, need to be 45 same, because total length is 45. and then delete this one. So one point which is 20 distance from the vertical one, and create one vertical line from the center. Then exit here, then exit, then create here helix. So start mechanical design, go to the wireframe surface design, and then create here helix. Okay, so that is helix. Go to the insert wireframe helix, or you can go from here also. You can go from here also. So that is helix. So now this one is starting point, and this one is axis. So pitch is 6. Okay, pitch is 6, and height is 45. Okay, height is 45. Okay, so pitch is 6 and height is 45 is required. And then this one is clockwise, counterclockwise. You can change from here, and then okay. Okay, so now this one is created. After that, we can create, suppose, plane. Choose this plane and choose this plane. Okay, so we can create, repeat it here. Okay, suppose choose this plane. Suppose select this helix first and select this point, then okay. So now this one is created. So after that, select this plane and then sketch. Okay, so after that, we can create here, suppose select this one, so create one point here, that is project 3D element, and we can create here center rectangle. Okay, center rectangle 3 by 3. Okay, so that is 3, this one is 3, and also this one also 3, because 6 is the pitch. And then delete this one, this point. Okay, so now delete this one and then exit. Okay, so now this one is exit here, and then go to the start mechanical design part design. Okay, start mechanical design part design, select this one, and then create here helix. Means, suppose this one is cutting. Okay, so slot is required, opposite of deep, slot is required. So just select this one and select that one. Okay, so now preview it. So now cutting is occur. Okay, so the internal thread cutting is occur. Okay, so that is save in secure place. You can assemble later on. Okay.